Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are glad to have you back. You know how we do it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So in our previous lesson, we had shown you how to move funds from your bank account into your sex exchange wallet. In today's lesson, we'll be demonstrating the reverse of that, moving your money from your sex wallet to your bank account. When you've made some money in the crypto space, you will need to spend it in real life. So you need to know how to move your money back into your bank account to enable you spend it. So today's lesson will be a step-by-step guide on how to do this. We'll be using the same apps we used to demonstrate in the previous lesson. So we'll use our bank apps, our Bybit app, and we'll be using the Naira to demonstrate. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you'd be among the first to get the next lesson as soon as it is dropped. Now, if we are ready, pick up your devices and let's go. So go to your Bybit app and open it. Go to more, then look for P2P and click it. Now this time we want to sell. The last time we bought, so we click on sell. We make sure it's in USDT because we are selling that. Then we want to filter. Only those who are eligible to trade with us are what we are looking for. So we filter and confirm. We also want to put a range of an amount. So let's go with 60,000 so that we won't have to be scrolling up and down too much. So we now have a list of people who can sell, who have that amount and above with them. So let's pick anybody here. Okay, we pick this guy. Then I just need around 80,000 naira. So let me see, 55. So that's a bit more. So 54. Okay, so I have like 80,000 naira or thereabout. So I go with this, I sell. So here I now have my account listed and I now have the name of the buyer who will pay me. So the person has dropped a message that for him to pay me, I should get my phone number across to him. So I'll be dropping a message letting him know that if he's having issues with my GT, which is what I have on the app, he should just pay to my alternative account number. So once that message is dropped, I wait to receive the funds from the buyer.
15 minutes later.
So the buyer has paid. I need to go and check in my bank, and true to it, you can see the money is here in my bank account. So at this point, I have to go back to Bybit and release the funds to the buyer. So you come here, check the message the buyer has dropped, and you can see he has said paid. Now you want to make sure that the person who has paid you, his name matches with the one that you received money from at the bank. So that's what I went back to check if it is the same person, the same name. So I came back here and then release the funds, and you can see the warning. So I have to now go back to my app and get my authenticator code and come and put it here. So the authenticator does not allow videoing. That's why it is dark. So I copy the code and I come back. Now you have to be fast. If not, the code dey expire. So you can see my code has expired. I have to go back and get a new code. Good. And you see this one worked. So I have released the dollars, the USDT to the buyer, and my money is in my bank account. How easy was that? So you guys should go ahead and try this, and let me know in the comment section how easy or how difficult it was. As you can see, my dollar amount has reduced in my wallet. So enjoy yourselves, have fun with this, and let's see you guys in the next lesson.